we are back, and we are back with Aparna Tilak ma'am. All the cosmic guidance. We're loving it so far. And 9th of July it is the next one. Let's have it for 9th of July.
Let's go, Amit. 9th of July, the main planetary transitions, things happening in the heavens. Mercury is like, what can I say, the hero of the day. See, when Mercury goes retrograde, a lot of affected, and especially जब अपने ही home sign, Gemini में वो retrograde होते हैं, वक्री जाते हैं, तो ज़्यादा effect होता है. So I want you to understand, this period is basically about Mercury retrograde and the different aspects it forms in the heavens. So let's go. Mercury retrograde in Gemini. Moon is in Aries. Now Mercury is spinning backwards, ulta, पीछे पीछे जा रहा है वो. Not really. From our vantage point, ऐसे लगता है कि he's moving backward because he's stationary there. Now, intense mental energy. Some of you may have breakthroughs or past problems come back and you solve it this time. Now, it's also possible जो आपके thoughts इस वक्त आपको suddenly कुछ thought आएगा, एक brilliant सा idea आएगा, आपको वो लिख के रखना है. And Saturn, शनि देव जो बैठे हैं, वो भी स्टेशनरी ही बैठे हैं. कहाँ पे? पाइसीज में. तो ये आपको स्लो डाउन कर देंगे इन लाइफ. यू विल फील अ सेंस ऑफ हैवीनेस. You will feel like you need to slow down in some stuff. And Mercury here, on the other hand, will make you go, chalo, let's go do this, let's do that. ये energy आपको balance करना है.
Okay.
Saturn is very heavy in Pisces. He's preparing to turn retrograde. Now imagine, Shani bhi vakri jayenge later this month. This will demand spiritual discipline, emotional boundaries, and looking closely at past karma. See, Mercury retrograde brings back people from the past. Saturn slowing down is about karma. He's the lord of karma.
Okay.
So understand, ये month चीजें होंगी which will have a flavor of deja vu.
Okay.
People coming back from the past, situations coming back. One more time you go. Why? There is a reason. Either to cut that permanently or to join it permanently. That decision is yours. Now, today is a wonderful day for meditation. I don't mean आपको कुछ बहुत ही कठिन, मुद्रा करके बैठना है. Just spend the day mindfully. Write down your thoughts.
Okay.
Introspect. Why is this happening again to me? Why am I stuck around that same mountain new day? Yeah? Why am I going around this? Why am I always at base camp? Why am I not going up? See, the very reason कुछ ना कुछ पास से वापस आएगा आपको कुछ बताने कि देखो आपने ये आपको शिफ्ट करना है. You can work on this and reach the next level. So don't be upset if something from the past comes back and says, redo this again. I'm telling you, it's a golden opportunity if you're mindful to break free from it or to create something permanent. Now, slow down. Slow down. Engage with the energy of Saturn. Slow down. Stop racing through life. Take the time to evaluate your day. Spend time in the moment. Saturn loves it.
Okay.
Do things by the book. No shortcuts. No nothing which he doesn't. No dodgy stuff. Walk that path of karma, and I'm telling you, you'll remember this month for being the month of the biggest turning point in your life. Now, review, revise. It's a very good day for do that. Re-evaluate financial setups, ongoing contracts, creative projects. Now, Mercury makes it a gold mine to catch mistakes. Just remember this. A mistake you made, you can now fix it. And you'll say, wow, thank you for this opportunity. What you can avoid is forcing an immediate decision. Abhi meko decision de do. Abhi haan ya na. Ye mat kariye. Slow down. Take some time. Re-evaluate this contract. Then make a decision. Avoid unplanned travel. If I've not spoken about travel delays and flight delays, Mercury will do that. Recheck your ticket. ऐसा ना हो कि आप आज एयरपोर्ट गए और कल आपका फ्लाइट था. I don't want this for you.
Sure.
Travel plans को 10 बार आप check करिए because delays are possible. And if you must travel, सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स, वीजास टू टिकट्स टू पासपोर्ट, ये आपको ज्यादा ध्यान देना है.
Okay. All right. Wow. Great. I think let's do